Weight management. Introduction. The number of calories a person needs depends on many factors such as gender, age, body size, activity level, and body metabolism. Select true or false. Correct. People who are overweight and lose weight tend to feel more energetic and relaxed. Select true or false. Correct. People who lose weight also tend to sleep better. A healthy BMI for an adult is between 18.5 and 24.9. Select true or false. Correct. Healthcare providers look at your BMI as well as weight-related risk factors to determine if the weight you are at is healthy. Risk factors include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar. The healthiest way to lose weight is to decrease the number of calories you eat and increase the number of calories you burn. Select true or false. Correct. Ask your healthcare provider to help you create a diet and exercise plan that is right for you. Setting realistic goals can help you stick to your diet plan. Select true or false. Correct. Set realistic goals that can be slowly and gradually achieved. Ask your healthcare provider to help you set goals. Your stomach will feel fuller when you eat more fruits and vegetables. Select true or false. Correct. Eating more fruits and vegetables leaves less room in your stomach for foods that are high in calories. People with more muscle are able to consume more calories than people with less muscle without gaining weight. Select true or false. Correct. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn even at rest. You should read the nutrition facts on food labels to find out how many calories the foods have. Select true or false. Correct. Avoid foods that are high in calories. Thank you for using Explain.